Palm Beach Maritime Academy's drop-off and pick-up procedures for our elementary school campus. Drop-off is at 7:30 a.m. Free breakfast is from 7:30 a.m. until 8 a.m. All students must report to class by 8:05 a.m. When entering the parking lot, it is important that you be mindful of parked cars pulling in and out of spaces, as well as cars entering the McDonald's drive-thru. We will now proceed through the morning drop-off and single rider line. Remember, it's a one-way. Traffic flows in one direction. Please, we'd like to remind you to stay off your cell phones while in the car line. Please watch the staff member for what to do next. As you pull forward, please wait for the staff member's instructions before your children get out of the car. Children will always get out on the side of the school building. Exiting the single rider line, you will proceed along the back end of the school. In the afternoon, the line starts at 2:30 p.m. and will run until 2:45. After 2:50 p.m., a late fee of $20 per family will be assessed. At this point, you will have to choose. In the afternoon, single riders will proceed forward, and cars picking up more than one student will make a left. Again, this is a one-way. Traffic flows in one direction. We want to remind parents to please place the car line signs on the dashboard of your vehicle. You need to have a sign for each child that you're picking up. These are the signs that you should have received on form completion day or at Meet the Teacher. As you pull forward, watch for the staff members for directions. Please be mindful of students walking towards vehicles. Again, watch for the staff member's instructions before pulling ahead. As you come to the corner, please be mindful of traffic that will be exiting the single rider line on the right. If you have any questions, please contact the school. And again, thank you for watching.